Well, I think this is a first for my channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to another Disney Pixar Cars Diecast video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at and unboxing for you guys Go Rescue Mater, which is of course a Tomica Diecast, which is only exclusive for Japan. Now this is the first ever time I believe I reviewed a Tomica Diecast on the channel. I will have another one coming out around after Christmas, because I am expecting of course, one that is not made by Mattel or Disney Store. Yep, the only reason why I did buy this one, of course I will explain where I got it from in a little bit, is because it is such a unique, of course, diecast or variant of Mater. So why not buy it? Of course, they had ones like World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen, Miguel Camino, and I'm not going to be honest with you guys, I wouldn't really pay the price that they asked for at this particular store, which is RM Toys of course, but because it is such a unique model, I will have to, like any other ones, like of course Silvers, the Rusty's Racing Centre versions of the course Luigi Guido, I'll pay that much for them, but of course not like for like a Miguel Camino, which is literally the 155 scale price anyways. So yeah, let's get on to the review of course this Mater here. So he is C number 32 in this line. Don't even know which year he was actually ever producing. Of course we could see a Tomica or Tomica Tomy, because it is Tomy. Little Lego logo sort of type thing there, which looks pretty cool. Of course Rescue Go-Go, of course that's what it's called, Rescue Go-Go Mater. We can see there, of course, what it would look like when I open it up. We've got some other information on the back here. If anyone knows what it says, let me know. And of course the barcode here of what it would usually cost, 530 yen I believe. Got a little picture here of Mickey Mouse as well. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is of course I'm going to open it up for you guys, and let's hope it is the one that's inside of this box for you guys. So we're going to take the instructions now, and here is the Rescue Go-Go Mater. It comes in this little baggie here. So here he is. I'm going to put the bag aside, and we are going to take a close look at this quickly, because I didn't even know these came with them. Yeah, don't even know what it says. Let me know in the comments below if you do know, if you are Japanese. Yep, there's some sort of instructions or some sample code apparently down here. So yeah, now taking a closer look at this Rescue Squad Go-Go Mater, of course. So yeah, at the front he's got his two front teeth at the front and the two back teeth, which look pretty cool. He's got his two working lights here too. Of course he's all white with some rust showing through, which does actually look really cool. So yeah, as you can see, of course he's got that ambulance logo there on the front of his hood as well. He's got brown eyes, which is of course what colour Mater does have. 4 working lights with of course this orange, pretty sweet. He's got sirens on the top here and a little light. On the top he's got like this little dent, and of course right here, which looks pretty cool. I love the attention to detail actually. We've got nice rims, of course, with the working suspension. Nice little stripe of wood coming along with ambulance there. Pretty cool. The logo is actually a spanner, which looks absolutely cool. On the back he's got doors, of course, for a car if it's in pain or injured or something like that. Ambulance, pretty sweet. There's the rear lights. And here is the base. Tomica 2007. I'm pretty sure it wasn't released in 2007. If it was, wow, this is an old release. Disney Pixar made in China. Pretty cool. Yeah, there is one other one I did want to compare it to quickly, and that is of course the Rescue Squad Ambulance, which is 1/55 scale, which looks 10 times bigger than the Mater, to be honest with you. Of course it is 164, this is 155. For some reason this one is extremely rare to get hold of now. Yeah, you can see some differences. Of course they've got that logo on the front here, and the white is a different colour. See the back, ambulance, keep back, Rescue Squad Medic. Looks actually absolutely cool. And these of course cars on the side here are just other Tomica diecasts. I'm going to put it here, and I am going to put Mater here. There is one other Tomica car that I did have, is this Fillmore. And here is a regular Mater, just for a quick comparison of what it is next to, a 1/55 scale Mater. pretty small. That's why I didn't particularly like playing £6 for a Meta, but it is unique. I do like it. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, of course the other ones here I did get reasonably cheap. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification down below, and of course the next one. Peace guys.